agus fáilte hiic na seansalaithe mas maidin seansa lácu glaciad na seansalaithe is mis Hugh me go le cara agus fáilte hiag an bhlian uair. Tá muid an seo anis fihi trí. They said it couldn't be done. They said ní bhéh seo gotí seo ach tehann seo neasam cé iad na daoine sinna ach tá just go ragra thuirtaí sin. Táman seo mars gra don bhlian uair well I mean ní bhéh after bíar. Táman seo mars gra le muid cólacia le chuig ar dúspáir tá seo le anywhere. Áine. Tíar taú agus aflinn bhí wacha si dit.
As a chain, ínta deas bheith rais a caiintlih. Ní an bhfuil tafod le cúpla seachtain is, so deas bheith rais, tafod le chéile, a chattal, caint absolute nonsense, mars gra, agus tá mai súil le go leor a bheith tarlú sa bhliain uair.
Ní muid tafod ó bhímuid in Éist na Gael le Barry agus tá bhfuilin just ar fear of Rona ra le Chila Barry a bhí orthú éisteart lei sin an méid a bhí le rá ag a cant faoi cascaní agus a cant faoi rudí probably ní carta bheith a phlé ar podcast. I cant faoi rudí ná carta bheith phlé ar podcast tá an seo fásta le James ó Fáilte. James, go dtí mar taú?
Go Buganí tí lá na thuúda níor mar ná go an obaring bó má bhreanna se bed an fi an seo ar YouTube tá bhe cos Eskimo fi láir, so agus tá tíberte ní an tas am sort so tá just buganí brote faoi láir but sure look 2023 bhlian an gabhar LeBron James 2023 let's be having it so come on.
We're in our MJ year, not fair, 23.
Hey,
not well.
LeBron year, all right.
That should never be again.
Yeah, I'll say LeBron.
Okay. Hey, Michael Jordan.
Yeah, year of the GOAT.
Oh, all right, yes. That's good.
Go my James, are going to year cost le an character view go mar Club Penguin nervy ma, I think the headphones carrying it.
That's because there's an earmuffs there, yeah.
Yeah. Well, couldn't you get to Ro Club Penguin Ogov?
Yeah.
No, we started all of them, so couldn't
okay. Yeah. Our Holomuff we started.
Lass.
Áine. What a fucking show. What an absolute.
You grow started on like you.
No, we kinnig me yarfer, but we like tumble on so we caddig me yarfer gal or Bebo. I can cad ogamse. So
Marn Yena.
So Vance Gurk or Escher or Bebo, but again I'm caring the village year stars off. So we must so we 10 rudchin nasky like hella. But James, what can you get to Ken username if you go to their Club Penguin?
Oh God, only knows could be on like ni my enemy on that news. I think my capital my coolness things like this.
Yeah.
Probably my Fernando or Fáilte main, my grandma golf left Fernando Torres and kids.
And Doyle live Gwyl were good contish was on.
Oh, ní ceapam because Visha, I mean, can he like I actually know Barrett Twin Star, Club Penguin as like an entity or whatever, but like can he like Disney and then like feel like Ahron. I think which are just Kristenish Awan like can he? But like nervy mistake like round him or Club Penguin. Ní some came time the tour to him like near my cool or whatever like that. But the kind of the ruddy was Visha like kind of the prompts was like and has fair lat. Agus Áine de fáth. And I was like, deadly, okay, Áine is fair, or dehas fairlum na garum, agus Táine materma fáth na holly, a modi viogum na holly, whatever. So we Mr. Blue Holly 01. And it was like, Glocksha like blianti do to cop on, but I think her cap Annie Gerbana Vima, like, in the Derlene, la like, 3 blian. Like, if we blian because I was a hardcore Club Penguiner, like premium membership, like fucking massive igloo. Puffles up to Hido, like hacking the game. I was a hardcore.
Yeah, and you know I'm sure heard of it. No,
sorry. To my whole session is your favorite fish new person was her Spotify in this. YouTube. Yeah, higgling run the cost and always sunny podcast ambition. My whole session with the Jennish because Annie Jenny I get ready with me feel her.
Yeah.
She's well rail at the So my the Gurker shower Spotify and the Gesher shower Spotify Jenkins asking into an app. I see got that Áine just doing her bits.
Just he'll make a get the book where they can simulate station, Ni on my journal Kunyu domination.
Whoa, Rogwell Ian was boring.
Are you hold on a second, Áine?
Bhrálam se gcóí sort mar ringlóide gom get ready with me dhéanú. Sin go se có just I don't know, tar ag ní a jazz fi as in a shiglumm.
Yeah.
You know? So my chun mo chud targi le go ma bun siús a sa chur nar de mar seo as a lá her cool. So yeah, mat dinner vi, mat kesh vi dinner vi, you know, just good chats or something.
Ní bheith ceisní ómsa agus ó James anyway, I can tell you right loud, because Tess ógan a hanna le rud a te ar the A right now. Like James, instúnis, could you she cur a sakinis?
Come on, right to Shomerlum. Only tú na targi le go do me.
The tension is
well, ní foundation Tom, because kunta sinner dús, because foundation cos le foundation tach.
My who?
Yeah. Me Jenny le mai, obviously so, pressure dollar mai.
Tá tú blendal. Tintal? Tint powder.
Hash bunny me in tushak the ditch.
Yeah.
So, blusher.
Hula, time you third
no.
Thing to be.
Hula.
Oh, benefit.
Hula final dochas cheekbones.
Kin James Kin
Darren.
No.
Down.
No.
Tan.
It's Donahore bronzer.
Okay.
So she come at the greenie at a cosle type sheen air and you know where you give her. Well, you know, spit and come a sun-kissed chin again.
Sun-kissed glow.
The hard offer answer, I should really know in the target show, but well.
Keiko Minic is being to see the Shammer law as a Kirk cash not her catatish the Cur a Saku though. Sean,
well, look, if you much just a Shummer though, but maybe just a sitting room. I just took into the stach. I just touched to the far rated. Maybe like fuck up, like go shears Shummer, please. Shummer yagi for a reason. So please, Ime. Actually, like being shit on, like so gish noch news a situation. Let's go on Aku is the Cur pain. It's maybe like literally like bathrooms, the shimmery, the chola, that is Sasha, Achwan, and Shummershaw.
And
yeah, but there's a lake between solace character.
And solace, yeah. See, that's a shot.
Need to longer Louis Tussa, the good Jerfka, Rio and Bodhrail Shahana.
Urwan, it was never even Jakanch la. Oh, Kevin Jakanch la. I'm just new Agliver than in chart, because I think we should see some wrong, the year first, see some wrong here in the.
Oh, Cathy Nikki.
Yeah. Sinead.
Yeah.
But she don't go sort like sing only child syndrome like James, like sort Tugan Comedish, like it's real main character energy. Tugan Comedish now with dinner Biela's clan okay.
I know, like to me main character syndrome I'm keen to, but like shouldn't main than us all though.
Sinead. It's the golden boy.
Exactly, yeah. Sure, hard offer Nishina, Nilain siblings in Soigam. Well, we mama's dad to get a inch skinny keens. Master King on.
They stopped.
Oh
yeah, exactly. It's like ni mistake in them whatsoever because ni danach like seach bliana is my hand with offer shinne agus chuig bliana is my hand with offer leor.
Look, they didn't stop until they wanted perfection. Agus shinne the bhlian agus nish ten puesta is farfa aku chuig. I mean,
yeah, it dropped it, lad.
Agus ma dínta sásta leis agus gaide gáanta yeah, but running bulu leis Urwan gonna get arachtas lads tá rud go gaima gaima flé and it's it's dúchlan a bhí tucha dúsa a mís fai heart and I managed to succeed. Coffin season avoided me. Tama inta bradle ar ein those.
Co-brother lasted.
Yeah. We got dicey. We should touch
in that pizza. Agus we match him to go yell a cup of pub. Agus we two on. You match in, you met better instead at a coach is love one. My better instead I get love and it's like, nah. Please you. No.
I'm walking me James having another their chat. I'm off the women. I'm off them.
They're trying to kill the lumps. I guess she just snaps as fast at random intervals, just saying I'm off the women, and it's just
yeah, Mata.
Yeah, for me she snaps. Come on, like Tashigiri a raw linya honest go gradin she hene. Although she know
what you mean gradin me? Kids man,
literally 3 so her this is snap home said like could be le and then like trí leation bítú le ban eile like Dirks or not bítú le but bítú le ban and I was like James like you're not off the women or Harvey
It's Matt.
it's too
Imra?
No.
Oh.
No.
Oh.
See, Tama Nima totally off the women. Tama just like off the women because he classes ban Carter.
Tá also cos le like Demi Lovato ra like to my cretin in the druggy at my con fos right dúgin vel go manish Sraith.
No, Tum off the women because he classes ban Carter.
Yes, exactly. Agus caiitú an ban ceart na amsú, so caiit le as caiit buú le mra agus bheith leor le mra several mra to find leis an cin ceart a amsú. That's what I'm saying is like to do
Tá báir am chuig cean ceart, okay.
An é go le gceis go náil tú go
Bés nach chuis a tír. Céird?
An é tá gceis go na rahí tú bhhailí lemra. Tá bhós go leirló is flirtáló.
Well, like, he's something we should leave a flirt I think.
You need to find it like James. Kind of the really lagin ma.
Yeah.
No, Tama off the woman, you could see Goss's band character, Agus, Shina, no real, Shina Briathar Day, Fuilahid, Agus, yep, Shanae.
Shanae Briathar James.
Briathar James. Shanae Briathar James. Oh my God.
BLD.
BLJ. Briathar James.
BLJ agus chin catú rá in nás áméan ar tú ribber rubbish.
Ach tan anseo an bhlian being grass in there go fáil there's the ending bits of cuffing season agus fásta bín na rúnaí gahannaí don aflian den blianúir the Gary Badger rud mór I dhéanú I mean tá Áine fáil ré le gal maithair cunne nacht who knows what she
agus don't worry tá she fós like Killian ní had like
yes yeah no
ní like Tinder date
no
ní go exciting Jen
Badger could be nacht to nacht Áine that could be his run don blian blianúir well na anghe gente that's the clue that's how you know
the opposite like she blinked it massacre.
So you're like ní héad chur cash nacht because
I say go a dodgy knee against
oh yeah just oh yeah cha habla leis
Becky much better feckle.
So speaking of on rule na pléann uair kid a bhí Hugh kid an Ciaran on resolution more bhí I
feel like it's in rud Ciaran this video coming there he's kind of phone came down so much I just really I really need to. Hugh Aspakara is still real, Sean Rudd. It's
alive and well.
Alive and kicking.
Remind us, it's good to the farson that nisha. So ní hígla fan réile, ní hígla fólum cén dóil the manchnish. Ní bheith to go simul.
Ní bheith mar go simul. I think surely be man ní simul da Roma and on because mission is in a fire single, current just jar, or in or the oh yeah be my share good hold on a second till I get the 75 agus be my lad again urgelai and that bit chumans the car or whatever
well my husband just a Thomas car there's a lane in Earth Hugh Capricorn could just go post it on anyways
basic sea arms
hopefully
haru I just know Holua is a fine some cadness game Shimar and taxi driver is Greeka in Aaron I just know because like ahan hima be dingy cast arm like sheep because like because Vince like Derry the law I know what a crazy idea you'd never listen there are mission on Chumach agus throw on the honey and Galway I'd say I would see is like 7 nights a week like sharing the young to text and you half on dog being like you bestie
it was a goal vision
well they're in virtue of and also that rose of that you could get a lift home with a totally sober lad surely version of like okay well take him to the mob couple of pennies phone at the grey because tasking go me Hugh hard limit block no
which don't more ruin than Avlian to me as James come brew or Hugh bogadh Galway
yep
tá sé tarlium lena
you know, I'd be open.
Oh!
Yay!
Step 1, infiltrate the mind.
Sean Rudd. Do you know could in five with the on, or do you know can fly that I'm like, oh Badger? It's because ahanam a chain with jinga mock like hella in Galway. Been ihid and Scohagan. Like I don't think Guro Ihogan Guffa that was just like, you know,
Meh. Like,
meh.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
What's in a cold weather, come on, you know?
Yeah.
I don't know if it's entirely in cold weather. I think it's a match Fáilte agus na. Oh, sorry, no, it isn't cold weather. It's Werguch Kurja, a Woodham Salah, or in the ENT ma.
There.
When you run through you more like Leah for something like so comments on payday and so yeah.
This is true.
So can the good can no ruin edit Áine.
So ní me chuir dom go brum héanam léna, because you know, Tá fair for maritime.
Look, as long as you believe that, that's okay.
Go leis no. Ní mar just tá gé job mai heáil. Tá mé géirí just, you know, tasca féin, tá mé gíbh níos aclaí agus dul raise an gym agus ihe go mai. Ag se agus sin, tá mé sas leir stoid time. Bhain am go leor taislí an éis ména. Agus m chardeach go minic riglam. Agus actually, Dini a ghear ma nachhfuil mai do in mo heel. Sin can more do some Lena. Marta Dini, I know he's not a rune or begum to like Jever.
You literally just said macro in rune and you were putting impression on you.
I know, she did chat him. She did chat him, you know, just for the major armor.
It's rune my yet. They're on slanchel. They're good on Miar flanchigs, might done. You know.
Yeah.
Do you know Gajaden rune Ella at Hogum, and I feel like it's a collective rune idir truruging. Bevrelum like Turdan Chirianu, like Janu like Janu Shoni Bia or whatever. Because there's no dirt this is Napromajinger Himakafali Malaklia. I was like, oh fact ni Yarnam would show Malaklia Gafal, like Niarm would show like Bia Malaklia Gafal.
Yeah.
So like Prevalent
Radio Rera.
I know, but I mean is in like you know
like a live
Costla
audience.
Costla EPs, Costla Bhlian yeah. I think Gaillimh, you know, we have to agus be mil farste gan well.
Yeah.
So Gaillimh you know, fall right that in. But I think Gur karting she did like a little mini world tour.
Yeah.
Do you know?
Yeah.
World tour of Ireland. World tour of Ireland. Ken run thugus James or why lots of Yanu.
Well,
we get absolutely hench agus
well to my first game can go brew is for Hockley someone on quiz quiz get footin the fornia if you met an aura in the reach just quiz gonora di mar hin ach could a smooth arm for Lord agus basic a surprise in his hookus go
right
Lene but to my tossy layoff
as in near also good kind of Leo agus
no doesn't get like Leo but to my gera that actually leave Laura Emiliana so the whole Laura charm agus to my toss Europe.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so intensity like pep lingers assistant manager Liverpool agus good vibes good life way Vex King agus Khomalish and Conala hooks might come as a very big surprise. I thought he journal.
Go on.
I love it.
Dude,
yeah.
Go on.
Self-care. It's rally.
Hashi Mishishin just to me in the sound. Hashi Mishishin niggas made parlar. I was like
will kina go no like journal at new will worth to count that can like pre-made.
No, just canny misha leor bug like len like lehani blank whatever and just basically screw my hand with their Harley and lash and niggas much mohuhan agus a with machine is the hun oh like I'd say there amshi thing be my journal like it'd be like holding the nuclear codes like Veucha Tasha and Unrick but you're wrong Rick
the first John show way Vex King is like it's just like on the pages like pre-made, like Leon Tomacha, like and all that craic. Like.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. So the Matosia sin agus so far so good. Thank after them. So de could nu mat choliche de on law Leon amach agus badly. So big surprise Peter Chinkotini, but exclusive.
I was gonna say an exclusive.
The Fáilte.
Yeah, so agus it's obviously in lower to my life version, good vibes, good life. It's in like kind of just just trying to get more, just attract those more good vibes to the life,
Damn right.
Damn right.
Damn right. Agus,
good vibes.
Agus, ag learn about yourself, delving into yourself,
not too deep though. You might get just the dark fucking ethers come a fucking.
That's for therapy.
That's for that is for a professional to deal with. Hall, please.
That's for shouldn't there be band as Gastram is my girl for Machwob, but we're just not gonna get therapist.
Hour of freedom to be like right, an
expensive hour of freedom.
Oh, stop! Yeah, no, Tasha, it's on cost. I mean, it's few agus like then you be in the anu gone out Jenny agus car na sion agus actually on grafage.al or like lasking you or like pay what you can or whatever like that. But it's privilege, anu. Not to get super deep very quickly. But
very off brand for us.
Suddenly, exactly. You know what? We have feelings too. Sean,
we may seem like we're really hard and strong, and
cool.
We're just teddy bears on the inside.
We're just little soft little teddy bears at the thing. I mean, Áine staying off the women and ruin Ella Thug, James. Like, mission is that a ruined on bhlian? Do you think could you do it for the bhlian?
Well, it was in the dry January, so that's a start. So,
but hold on a second. In Cora Shogun and Ari, don't need touching this a dry January because you hate the pléann though.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, after my actually hosting is the share lot, so Nima got in Zachvam, Ermavella, to my go
really?
Yeah, I'm gonna all go.
No, Tess the Ken Fire. I know exactly Ken Fire because my Hashin Shah no, my Hashin Shah dry January or any Briathar ni Vesha non all a kosher Briathar and may again couple of shocking
yes.
Well, sin cúis. Agus tá báiste mo muneacht freisin an seachtainí mo bhar lá, so ní bhéh a ggóla sin agus is mise an Godfather.
The Godfather. James Corleone.
Yeah, exactly. Like so couple of 0-0 is my goal. Couple shafted in this, like so. Yeah. Look forward to it. Well, like first, my girl, I'll be like so after booze, after women, they me anger anyways. I guess we see that whole situation like might just get might get a castle on bands ass if it's cart home agus on pinted ass is cart home
Do you know where I show Bala either by James? They Maris just like absolutely intap, it's like Hosasa. No, but absolutely gruma. He'd like he go fun at the beach of a heart, and we just scream bra, agus couple of jaw of Elgum, to absolutely chin and crap show.
Bishop should really kept go who mission. I mean,
James, prove me wrong. Prove me wrong.
Mardus fair a bhí an netted cartaige I riomh na híal. Dús Barney Stinsona. Challenge accepted.
Who? No, look, honestly, tá sásta go tú ag January agus go tú ag cur tú slash and I have full faith in you. Tá, genuinely. Tá. Do you know what? I'm off the women too. Do you know what? Jenny Michelle
exactly.
Me too.
Yeah, Áine's also off the women. Nes ma could do Áine Lord like Enmra and we can. No, just remind her.
Well, the Áine freshen off the men. She's only on a man. Whoa!
Way! Shin cost little lashkill hug mission that's the James where I was like, you're off the women, but the queens can stay.
Speaking of queens, actually, we actually chat about Iantacham, which in
Oh my god.
Riven Nolig. Agus you actually can like you 4 replies for one said ginger today. So on Khan so should that gonna dini if talk go mark bullet a ban kings and the dating apps.
It's a close to gum like January.
Yeah, I'd say so, yeah. Yeah. Well, Iantach like
shock
rate if we love it. Like Kate Gate. So do this my phone Hugh, Zaibsha, do share muffle now. Dus dat mis muffle obviously. Zaibsha. Dus my phone Pokemon my housemate fashion Zaibsha. So Ruth should be in the lads no carni tamunchen. What I shall need go lads keeping. No go carni that girl carni. Yeah, the queen is the hand. So Kaship message Horaku. I get in the year. Agus raw. Are you lightning? As in Taurnyach.
Yeah.
Asrach. Agus chin catún gifachuir go lightning. And then just catú chin immersion game, catú fanacht. Catú fanacht. Meall chin. Be in raw. Kids it zaul that bulls at a dinner show. Like if fog should fearing some lasrach man. Like that's so weird. Agus yeah. In fairness, that's got just Charleston as kinal fucking weird like twos. Alright. Ach chin, air said yes, no. And then air this well, that's good, no. Oh, that's a shame because I want to make you McQueen. Ka-chow! And then could do gift could lightning McQueen again. And then boom.
As Kevedor grew up to the show.
Triúde agus the kid forget.
James, tá actually no.
Agus triúde wait like Mr. Hugh agus my housemate. So Ude one home hey and then type.
Okay.
James, ten nocht melchnogum ditch. You're gonna hate this.
Not opera. No, just don't ruin my moment, Hugh. Not neither that all.
So thank Cartiga. Gur her taxing ban. Oh mochantis. Agus Huxi Fryer Rashtu. That is true.
Yeah. You mentioned punishing, yeah.
And he was present. Agus, out of curiosity from a match of span and chat. And I was like, do you know what? For the crack, let's see if we can try it again. Hi blank, are you lightning gif? Unmatched. Not even red. Not even red. We saw a whole auction that she had to ignore that she had ever matched with me in her entire life.
You know what, Hugh? This is just the image clutching. Let's no pick up line gods. Agus we do raw hantach.
Be a raw hantach.
Agus we do raw hantach. Is the guy who said that Easter said it. Katu raw in the pickup line gods. Katu raw. Look, to my girl who said it East. Bless this phone. Should I bring her James?
Going to be James and Ish Gerbay James and pick up elder kind of a thing, that
elder. What the good elder go my brother lots of knees on yeah.
Would you do Nish 30 but shouldn't the rate on us to Jack?
No, God no.
Shouldn't the chat to us? Look, Ryan mission is be my she's so much glue in here and acting a lap because Jerry Ma early Jeremy much padra on this just to pick up cards. Because Jerry Ma let the hall tour ban Galante Briathar Gaillimh with a fat ass. Agus
a lot of cars and then
cars and scanning. I mean, if she likes cars, fast the CARRS bitch and
true. Oh, look at pick up line egg in a crowd. Do you like cars?
Oh my god, ernst wat dit fui an ban vachalum agus vi she like her match actually feel like caught the seki whatever agus vi she like shinkla or blah blah blah. Anyway, actually Atnium who as TikTok and I was like alright gas and then she was like but then killing Shingwul and Slunya Kieran the Ugging. So
Vito if we cars
Car Slunya VR he fast the agus Ced Anium Seki was an Ced Anium Kieran the Lema Weher. So
that's a nick.
Whatever you're into, Hugh. Whatever you're into.
It died a death.
Call me mommy.
So it died a death immediately. It was like right gluck slan lats right.
Well, Hugh just run like, oh yeah, you gotta show mama card. Let's go home.
Mom, we got to come on. Saoí they're hug mai in the wall hiig mo her.
Jesus, tásúla gom na nation do bham leis an phodchraoladh seo.
Oh man, I fucking hope not to.
I hope good. Yes.
Lánan she in contest her Instagram. Agus I'm nearly sure go she blocked a gomur Instagram parsanta. Oh no.
I shouldn't.
So
No.
tú the gwine bí eile a tír tú leanúnt a ní ligi tú de bhhamí tú
No,
leanúnt.
agus inchma the came for, and it's not Instagram, it's her Twitter. Agus inchma these came for because beam an active her Twitter and beam se a chuita Dominic. Agus vi lai again shot a couple of bhlian agus fi ma tweet off fi dollar or Tinder date, and it was like whatever, like because we had like $6,000 whatever, and I completely forgot about it, whatever. Agus hard for am caring the firma follow as contest there, it's like Russian car or whatever, and then like a load of numbers, whatever. And I was like, okay, it's weird, go like spam bot le animal wear, like that's a bit odd. Who cares, whatever. Agus and shin like better seachtainí had like man the wall. Agus just hunting mo wear heart lam was there she to grow through a Tinder date, and I was like, oh no.
Oh, she did the stalk. Rin she stalk on.
He did the stalk. So the arm set had to cut her out straight away.
But it's a bit like key to freshen go like spam bots on go muchos muinted a munchin freshen meal like be more winter like it took him a while, and then it's like a whole sniffer dog it goes not a good as I could kinder vi mal band do whatever meal then
while you eat take a chat.
No, ní ag teach baile. Ní na sin saora.
Dúir tú go girls.
Ní sa saoú. I love that the tree chaserella fair game. An saoú.
Oh yeah, like turn wala to saora. But be my small and níos medici sa saora like so, But like ach ní sin gabhar bríon fi because tama after women.
After women.
Okay, but no, it's like female I didn't strong ale, and then my wallet agus next thing you know it's like horse sniffer dog means like oh can you go hen her to wallet you're like what the fuck so fuck will like go roma let in the kins lately usually like come like saves your father's new man did a bit and then near should catch the bit and then the moment of you man let in the kins toss the quad you're like Jesus should come up on nima rotada. Kama
ruin stitch James the group chat of Mahane Gazan you let the Hutch Tishmari and we filled them in. So
that means that Mr. Ship just snap on or all like my concert dinner or whatever which is filtrate of just in a dash come meets it.
Yeah, just screenshot agus forward the end which
okay.
Famously.
Yeah. Didn't actually
hold on
explanation about
the white hain just church
just go kinship
yeah
because Tess ogni K and then you character we to Michigan's Áine we're a very good judge of character seeing as we're both in very long-term relation seeing as one of us is in a very long-term relation.
Wait well didn't agree in 19 home
well thing a 90 lot
no in 18 agree home. That should be aim to within one, shall we?
No. Isn't we just know the qualities are cart game ag ban le bheith lása,
Well,
Jerry more excited and shin fucking your lad now will bunch of leis na marafi her.
Yeah.
Well, they look of do.
Yeah. No. That row ban I'm sure it wouldn't matter because you're off the women.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, but her fan like he had like a fella.
No breach. Oh, better come out to the Colleen that ran a breach.
No, she's an animal water.
Oh yeah. No. Okay.
Even better.
No.
Mommy.
No.
No, ach an fairness ring imagine egg on Erachtas. No, you can't say Colleen can take an Erachtas. Has meg Áine agus look to and then the Áine gain to them do got back into them. Agus said the drochur ní enta she communicate.
I mean, we know how to pick him, James. So
yeah,
Sean Rudd. We have a stare on Wyhug English the Marat.
Yeah.
So
keyword stat.
Ní ra cheese bullshit.
Not her podcast anyway. They're a bull with Swiss the Kellen Cadorella agus they're na penty gal you know, nuair a bhgam sa go Gaillimh.
Yeah.
Sinna fleann, you know.
Go luath.
Go luath. Man, I don't know. I'm not against an smuitiú. Like tá actually bon ansalt is ná be hís an Gaillimh. But it's, you know, logistics agus anrú tá sin agus, you know.
Go pish posh, we got job eile.
Like I don't know, but kind of job in the a huirtu and all that crack and kind you know cén actual mach an fanna, you know, cén you know I can't be sleeping on couches tamar fad no tihi like stranchery like the near woman on the sin like not in a weird way, but like the arm sin anu so now I found it the hacks to James.
Well, basically mo tú ná fáta má hasa má bógan duine igen amach agus ceapan duine igen bóg amach.
Yeah. Sorry, yeah. I mean, you would basically be replacing him like the bizarro version of him, like dar hanning mis tá like Housemedic James agus tá Briathar agus Glynny agus like Viimid Cooper to shop here and in San Francisco agus I would say go much get to a cost like Ella as in like
yeah
kind of similar vibes something whatever, so it would just be like to file like an even more culty version of the housemate.
And Sean lad grow and wheeling ní bhíar James.
Yeah.
Sorry, bhí sé sin cógranar. Háis sé súsa gom as bhí sé, you know, bhí couple of joch again, right? As bhí sé ginslum cé cohínta as cé coganta suilm, basically, like bhí má fáil multi-ganta. And then cha sé James bhí sé ra like Jane dói a dhearn tú nó riú lehí. Jane dói go lad nó ará leis an aisin.
Oh my god.
It's a good.
And rud is fair was na bhí Jim Wee Áine mis ginsta the Garosha as California agus then be like the Cricaster being like agus James Costa like bogu California go Galway, and he was like what are you on about? Like what are you talking about? So good.
Tá vibe sin aige.
Yeah. But hog that could be me. Hopefully, shouldn't have been.
Yeah.
Not bedroom mischievous to agus a boyfriend, Áine, you know, three's family, you know.
After one go to Shach chuig you, what moet aan the sexist innkeepers. So yeah.
The sexist innkeepers,
yeah. After the episode should go how much mother, no.
No.
Yeah.
Sexless innkeepers, no.
Yeah, sexless. Yeah.
No, not sexist. Sexist is like is fooling right.
No, sexless to do man.
Oh, how much is sexist?
Really?
Yeah, which come on.
Yeah. That was a close one.
Yeah, we better bored. I was like, "Call you, don't listen, Gadja."
No, sexless, like aspa sex innkeepers. You know what I'm talking about?
Okay.
Yeah,
like
you're making this sound so enticing now.
Yeah, it's like, oh wow, I can book a Charlotte and I can turn my back on Anna Jenny. That like shave Leah. Yeah, I'll pass on that. But no,
Dini initially curtu how we met your mother episode.
For the sex, what the hell? James, I can't speak. Badger, who knows? To bhlian father Rowan, so chance that I might do a wee stint. Hallen many Donegal.
Yeah.
And we won't sleep a wink in Tamerfad. We would just be reaching, just partying nonstop. Akajishin ta would you chat big Joe and Eagrán because ta any dollar kunya agus tashi ray agus lads know what you're calling it isn't it? I feel like you have to, come on.
You guys from before and after you and a too bad.
I know, I'm telling you. I mean early tomorrow your Zoom anyway, and that's the main thing.
Very good.
Yeah.
She likes me so much more, don't I?
Shinrod is tawati. Oh, the late show Valentine special charts was faster. That could be but James just a bit of a feature James being off the women, and I was like, oh, but Badger, if we could get him on camera.
Oh yeah, he might go to just co-excited like Archer and Leor. I was like, geez, they shouldn't like me, Galway. Good lord, no.
Yeah. My FM is where RTE anytime soon based on good leadership freaking forms and homes. So Nima fun in a raggers.
I'm just opening a tab here. Don't mind me.
No.
Sin just that's a bit of crack thing in the podcast. Agajin sin. Mus mai love much lance in the man hosted how much na Seansálaithe ar Instagram, na Seansálaithe ar Twitter, agus na Seansálaithe ar YouTube, agus ekel an fish an shaw. Ekel an fish an fasta ekel ar Spotify anish, cause too much into high tech. Cromai get this up the Spotify lads. And ran options in the work doing it. Mas the Gary Áine Amsterdam man hosted that more anywhere or Instagram, anywhere or Twitter, agus anywhere or TikTok. Mas the Gary James Amsterdam the man hosted that more fluency, I believe.
Yeah.
Or Twitter, fluency, or Instagram. Agus fluency or TikTok. Agus mas the Gary Misha Amsterdam and the man hosted the more Hugh here or Instagram, Hugh here or Twitter. Agus great Hugh or TikTok. But rain rodella come to flog on it. Solar chain annual Kanyaseki agus solar James Rash to being very alone.
Jenny Leor live update, Steve, as Mayor McQuinn.
Oh, believe me, and you don't. That's all right.
Yeah.
Nil arching yet.
What the kincha?
No, I'm okay. Honestly.
Yeah.
It's fine. Oh my God, Jesus Christ. Well, then I got shot. Gurmina Mike's notification just Seachtainí agus den Dráis traffic chuig le Eagrán Uair Omlan Ella. Gishin, Slan.
Fun.